Hey YouTube family and friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to compost leaves. That's right, this composting style is going to be the long haul, either 6 to 8 months, but it's going to be great for my garden the following year. I'm going to make leaf mold, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what I have been doing in the past. I'm gonna do something a little bit differently. All right, so I'm gonna take you over to it. Let's go. All right, as you can see, these are my bags of leaves. And you know that you can poke holes in the bottom of the leaves and put water in them. But over time, the bags have been breaking up and busting up. So I'm going to do something totally different and hopefully I get a better result. So instead of using the bags, I'm going to use a regular trash can. And I have another big bin that I'm going to use. I'm going to fill the leaves in, but let me show you how to get your trash can ready for composting leaves. All right, here's my trash can that I'm using. I don't need it anymore, but this is gonna be my leaf composter. So all I'm gonna do is take my drill, I'm gonna drill holes in the bottom of it because I need to have air to flow through so that it won't get anaerobic, because if it's anaerobic, it's gonna be nice and smelly and we don't want that. All right, so, and the other benefit is when I put this on the ground, worms can come up from the bottom of it as well. So go ahead and put your hose in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some holes on the sides to aerate it, and I'll get back with you in a second. Hey, I'm back. Come check out the holes that I drilled in the bottom of it and on the side for aeration. All right, so just a simple drill. If you are in need of a drill, I'll put a link in the description for the one, this Black & Decker. I got a power drill, but I didn't need a power drill for that. All right, so the next step, what we're gonna do is, now with your leaves, you wanna make sure that you help this process out a lot. So you wanna go ahead and take the leaves, put them out on the ground, and go ahead and get your lawnmower and go ahead and cut them up to small pieces, because once you cut them up into small pieces, it is going to help greatly with the breakdown. They won't be matted down, and it's going to be nice and chopped up. So the lawnmower is the ticket, so that you can have your leaves already broken down, just like this. All right, that's going to help you. All right, so now to the next step, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, it's not a trash can anymore. It is a leaf mulch maker, leaf mold maker. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my leaves, put some in here. Now, after I put them in, I'm not gonna put the whole thing in. I'm gonna go ahead and get it moist. So go ahead and put the water on it. And then after I wet this down, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some more in, and this is gonna be fungal dominated. And like I said, it's gonna take 6 months to a year. I'm thinking it's gonna be a full year, but we'll see. I don't have to turn it or anything. If you wanna turn it, you can, but it's not the same thing as hot composting. So just wet it down, and you're gonna complete that process. And you're gonna leave the top open, because when it rains, that's gonna help add the water to keep it moist, and that's gonna continue with the breakdown. So if you have leaves and you're not doing hot composting, go ahead and bag them up, put them in a bin like this, or make your bin, and you'll be on your way for next season. Not only do I have leaves in the bag, because I got them off to the side of the curve, but in my backyard, I got leaves that I got to rake and mow up as well. Now, the reason why I like to mow these leaves and get them ready while it's still cold outside, when I rake my leaves up in the springtime, I rake a snake up to my foot. So when it warms up and it's not fully hot yet, and I'm trying to do my work, you may have snakes up under. So that's the reason why I like to clean up all these leaves, because they're beneficial to the garden, but I don't want no snakes all back here. I give them a spot to hide. So that's another benefit of going ahead and getting those leaves up and out the way. Let me show you my bin over here. Now this bin right here, I used to do hot composting in, but I did not put holes in the bottom of it. So it's kind of smelly. Oh, it really is smelly. It's bad. All right, but look at that black gold. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the holes in this, and I'm gonna also turn this into a leaf mold making machine. All right, so there are so many benefits to make your own leaf mold. Number one, it's free, and your garden is gonna love it. And once again, it's free, and so I can put that soil amendment, which is gonna do wonders for my garden next season. And that's the reason why I choose to come back to this leaf mold, because it is going to help out, and it may cut down the cost for getting some of my soil amendments for next season. Hey, I just want to show you what it looks like now. I still got to top it off, but I'm done for today. That's what it looks like. And these leaves, I mean, they're cut up pretty good. I mean, real nice and fine. And if you're thinking about it blowing in the wind because it's leaves, when you wet it down, this thing is heavy. And I'm gonna have to drag it to its final location. This is gonna be so great having all these leaves in its new home, so it will prevent animals like snakes or anything else like that from getting underneath it, especially in the spring or the summertime. And that's gonna help me out greatly, and the leaves are actually gonna break down instead of looking like this. If you don't want to use a trash can, you can use the metal post, and you can also go ahead and fence it in, and this will work as well. As long as it's 3 to 4 feet high, 3 to 4 feet wide, you'll be good to go. All right, so let me know in the comments if you use leaf mold before, if you make it. And don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.